This is not just a Boeing 747, it is Air Force One, the world's most secure aircraft, built to carry the President of the United States. Thousands of precision components come together through years of engineering to create one of the most sophisticated aircraft ever built. Today, we're taking you inside the incredible factory to discover how Air Force One is built. Construction begins with deliveries of aerospace-grade metals. Every shipment enters through strict security procedures. Every material is digitally tracked from arrival. Inventory systems establish full production traceability. Titanium billets are unloaded for verification. Handling procedures prevent surface contamination.
Did you confirm the batch number on the titanium? Yes, it matches the manifest. The labels are going on now.
Every billet undergoes dimensional verification. Non-destructive testing confirms material integrity. Certified materials enter controlled storage. Environmental conditions preserve aerospace quality.
Production planning aligns thousands of aircraft components. Manufacturing begins after engineering approval.
Titanium stock advances to machining operations. Every component starts as raw aerospace material.
CNC systems machine components to exact specifications. Micron-level precision is required throughout production.
Structural members are produced in coordinated batches. Digital monitoring ensures manufacturing accuracy. Edge finishing improves structural consistency. Every surface must meet aerospace standards. Laser verification confirms dimensional accuracy. Only approved parts move forward. Aircraft skin panels are cut from aerospace aluminum. Computer-controlled lasers ensure consistency.
Forming presses create precise aerodynamic shapes. Panel geometry must match engineering models.
Assembly starts with the aircraft's primary structure. Precision alignment is critical before joining.
Structural alignment establishes the aircraft's geometry. Precision measurements guide every adjustment.
Automated drilling prepares thousands of fastening points. Each hole follows a precise engineering pattern.
Fasteners permanently join structural sections. Every connection contributes to airframe strength. Floor beams create the foundation of interior spaces. Alignment remains critical throughout assembly. Structural flooring supports future aircraft systems. Torque-controlled fastening ensures consistency. Inspection verifies structural accuracy. Only approved components advance to assembly. Major structural assemblies begin converging. Precise positioning precedes final joining. The wing root transfers flight loads into the fuselage. Alignment directly affects aircraft performance. The airframe continues taking shape through sequential assembly. Structural inspections confirm readiness for the next phase. Large fuselage modules are aligned before final integration. Laser systems verify structural accuracy. Large fuselage modules are aligned before final integration. Laser systems verify structural accuracy. Automated drilling prepares structural connections. Every hole follows a programmed pattern. Thousands of fasteners secure the aircraft structure. Each connection undergoes inspection. Structural joints are examined for hidden defects. Non-destructive testing confirms integrity. Structural joints are examined for hidden defects. Non-destructive testing confirms integrity. Internal wing structures are assembled first. Dimensional accuracy remains critical.
Skin panels complete the aerodynamic wing surface. Robotic systems ensure consistent attachment.
Completed wings undergo geometric verification. Measurements are compared against design models.
Major structures now converge into a single aircraft. Installation requires coordinated lifting procedures.
Major structures now converge into a single aircraft. Installation requires coordinated lifting procedures.
Critical joints are secured using controlled torque values. Every fastening operation is documented. The aircraft structure is now complete. Attention shifts to onboard systems. The aircraft structure is now complete. Attention shifts to onboard systems. Thousands of cables connect aircraft systems. Routing follows strict engineering specifications. Dedicated equipment bays support complex electronics. Internal systems are assembled in stages. Electronic systems are integrated into the airframe. Verification accompanies every installation step. Electrical pathways are tested before closure. Fault detection occurs early in assembly. Interior construction begins with structural flooring. The layout supports future cabin systems. Interior frameworks define functional aircraft spaces. Each section follows approved layouts. Environmental control systems are integrated early. Airflow management supports cabin operations. Utility networks are added before enclosure. Inspection continues throughout installation. Interior surfaces begin to take shape. Installation remains focused on precision. Assembly teams review progress before final integration. Quality documentation accompanies each stage.
The aircraft enters its final outfitting phase. Attention now shifts toward completion and testing.
Power plant installation marks a major production milestone. Each engine arrives with complete traceability records.
Installation requires controlled lifting procedures. Alignment tolerances remain extremely precise.
Mounting systems transfer flight loads into the wing. Every fastening operation is documented. Installation continues across all engine positions. Each assembly follows identical procedures.
Engine systems are linked to aircraft infrastructure. Verification follows every connection. Landing gear assemblies are prepared for integration. Inspection occurs before installation. Landing gear installation requires structural precision. Attachment points are carefully verified.
Main landing gear supports significant operational loads. System integration continues immediately after installation.
Hydraulic systems undergo functional verification. Performance data is recorded in real time.
Exterior finishing begins with surface preparation. Cleanliness directly affects coating quality.
Painting occurs within controlled environmental conditions. Temperature and humidity are continuously monitored.
Primer protects the aircraft structure. It also prepares surfaces for finishing coats. The aircraft receives its final exterior finish. Multiple layers ensure durability and consistency.
Markings are applied using controlled processes. Visual consistency is closely inspected. Exterior finishes undergo extensive inspection. Measurements confirm coating uniformity.
Interior outfitting combines craftsmanship and engineering. Every component must meet aviation standards. Interior furnishings are fitted after structural work. Installation follows detailed cabin layouts. Cabin systems are integrated with aircraft networks. Testing begins immediately after installation. Initial cabin activation verifies system integration. Diagnostic software monitors performance.
Integrated testing evaluates aircraft functionality. Data is analyzed before operational trials.
Ground support equipment enables controlled testing. Electrical systems are evaluated under load.
Flight deck systems undergo initial activation. Engineers monitor startup performance.
Control systems must respond accurately. Performance is compared against design targets. Inspection precedes every major test event. Final approvals authorize engine operation.
The first engine startup marks a critical milestone. Testing now moves toward operational verification.
Engine parameters are evaluated during initial operation. Engineers compare readings against certification targets. Multiple engine operation verifies integrated performance. System stability is monitored continuously.
Throttle response testing evaluates engine behavior. Performance remains under continuous observation.
Ground testing extends beyond propulsion systems. Flight controls must perform precisely.
The aircraft transitions from assembly to operational testing. Outdoor evaluations now begin.
Taxi testing validates steering and braking systems. Ground handling characteristics are carefully observed. Ground performance data is collected during taxi trials. Results support final certification activities.
Operational testing generated extensive performance data. Every result undergoes technical review. Final inspections verify manufacturing quality. Every visible surface is examined. Interior systems undergo final evaluation. Documentation confirms production completion.
Production records provide complete traceability. Certification documentation is finalized.
Delivery preparation follows production approval. Logistics teams coordinate final documentation. A final review confirms readiness for service. The manufacturing phase is complete. The aircraft leaves the manufacturing complex. Years of engineering effort culminate in this moment. The aircraft leaves the manufacturing complex. Years of engineering effort culminate in this moment.